Roses on your face instead of roses in your vase because they can bring many benefits to the skin. More specifically, rose water, a combination of filtered water and rose oil found in the petals, rose hip oil and rose extremely important oil can provide comforting and anti-swelling benefits to the skin. Whether in the form of a cleaner, toner, moisturizer or serum, this ingredient can be equally helpful to all skin types. 1. Antioxidant. This is one of the major benefits that roses and rose water can bring to the skin. We all know that body healing chemicals are good for the skin, and the ones found in roses are no exception. These particular body healing chemicals help to strengthen skin cells, which in turn, can help skin tissues. The antioxidants in roses work to neutralize body-damaging chemicals, which can provide anti-aging benefits to the skin also. 2. Healing hydrator. While roses are great for all skin types, it is especially great for dry skin due to its very moisturizing properties that can help to comfort itchiness. Roses used in the form of an extremely important oil can also be a great way to moisturize the skin, while protecting it from moisture loss and keeping the moisture barrier strong. Even for those who do not suffer from dry skin, the watering, filling with water that roses provide can be very helpful, as it helps to balance hydration with water in the skin. 3. Wrinkle eraser. Besides being filled with antioxidants, rose water and rose oils are also packed with vitamin A and C, which can help with aging skins. Apart from smoothing the appearance of wrinkles, these vitamins help to reduce the look of age spots on the skin and aid with collagen production. While rose extremely important oil and rose water are both coming from rose petals, rose hip seed oil is actually from the small fruits that appear on the rose plants, which are a natural source of retinol. 4. Redness Comforter. This ingredient has tons of anti-swelling benefits, which can help reduce the appearance of redness on the skin. Part of its moisturizing properties also aid in comforting redness and irritation in the skin, also. Back to rose hip oil, apart from being great for anti-aging, the combination of body-healing chemicals and fatty acids in rose hip oil make it helpful for comforting skin swelling, including redness and itching. 5. Oil reducer. When it comes to moisturizing the skin, rose water helps to balance out moisture, meaning it can help to control excess oil production. With this ingredient being so deeply hydrating, it increases water content in the skin instead of the level of oils. There are also drying properties in roses that help to lift dirt and oil from the skin to help it maintain its natural pH balance. For more home remedies for skincare, check out Natural Home Cures.